What is Framer? Framer is a powerful interactive design tool tailored for crafting websites and prototypes. Its exceptional capabilities extend to constructing comprehensive marketing sites, engaging landing pages, and dynamic online campaigns. Framer offers comprehensive support throughout the design process, from crafting visual mockups to creating interactive prototypes. Yet, what sets Framer apart from all the other tools is its capabilities to publish straight from the canvas. So imagine this tool like a combination of Figma and Webflow. Framer has evolved a lot since its creation in 2016. Initially, Framer has begun as a technical prototyping tool tailored for designers with coding skills. The second generation of Framer introduced a visual canvas, making it accessible to a broader audience and transforming it into a collaborative web application. The current generation of Framer takes it a step further by enabling you to seamlessly transition your design from the canvas to production, streamlining the entire design to deployment process. The advantages to consider when using Framer are the following. Speed. With the new AI integration, Framer stands out as the quickest tool for building websites. It allows you to swiftly bring your design to life without the need to rebuild it into code or switch to another tool. Empowerment. Framer is an all-in-one solution that empowers anyone to design and deploy websites. You won't require a dedicated front-end team or in-depth web programming knowledge. Basic canvas skills are sufficient. Quality. Framer-generated websites often exhibit impressive scroll effects, responsive design breakpoints, embedded videos, functional forms, and all the essential elements expected from a top-notch website. Scalability. Framer is equipped to support your entire marketing infrastructure. It seamlessly integrates with various tracking and conversation services, and it provides top-tier hosting solutions. Completeness. Framer imposes no creative constraints. You can freely express your ideas on the canvas or within the content editor. Real-time collaboration is also a hallmark, and if you ever need custom functionality, you can seamlessly integrate code. So overall, Framer makes the website creation process both enjoyable and highly effective for your company. So if you're a Framer designer as well, let me know in the comments what is your favorite part of it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this type of content, and I shall see you next time.